Welcome to Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Today we will learn to make a character design, a flat design character design, something like this. So open the vectoring app, open this particular rectangle tool, draw it on the screen. Select this corner tool, tap on these two corners and drag it downwards. Now fill color by tapping here. Now make one more copy of this. Click on this setting button. Click on duplicate. Now one more copy is made. Click here and make it a black color copy. Then select this path tool. Select this particular corner and move it outwards and upwards. Repeat this with this corner also. Now we will move this particular copy which is on the first copy to backwards. Click here. Click on this icon. That copy is moved backwards. Now we need to make this particular part. Select the shape tool, double tap on it, select the circle tool. Now drag the circle over here. Make the adjustments. Okay. Now make one more copy. Click on the settings icon. Click on the duplicate. Now we have got two circles. We want this type of shape. Now we have got two circles. We will select one and then click on this select multiple option. Click on other circle. Click here and select this intersect. The intersecting part is separated. Now give color this black to this intersecting part. Now select the path tool again. Click on this particular corner. Now click on the handle, this lower handle. Move it inwards. Click here to move it upwards. Okay. Now draw one more rectangle for the neck. Select this rectangle. Select this corner tool. Select these two corners together and pull it down. Now select the path tool. Select this corner. Then select other corner. Okay. Now we will fill color. Position it rightly. Select this particular tool and send it to back by clicking here. We need to reduce the size. Okay. Now we will draw the rectangle again for the clothes. Now again select the corner tool. Select these two corners together. Drag it downwards. Now put color in this. Select this fill option, blue color. Then send it backwards. Now let's apply shading to this face part. Select this, select duplicate, take one more copy, select this constraint option, move the copy outside. Now we will crop this particular copy. Select one rectangle tool, draw it like this. Now select that particular copy, select multiple, select this new rectangle, go to this boolean task and then subtract. So remember that we have to first select the lower copy which we want to which we want to do the subtraction. Now select this and click here. Again select constraint and drag it inwards. Okay, now we want to remove the stroke. Select here and drag it like this. We have to move it backwards. Select this option to move it backwards. Now we can see that the stroke is not seen properly. What we can do is we can make one more copy and then remove this fill. Okay, so we can see that there are three copies now. First copy is only stroke, second copy is this shading, and third copy is the lower face which we had made first. So in this manner we can make nice simple character designs using Vector Ink app. Thank you for visiting Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more and more such videos. Thank you. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya Nath Samvit.